Hello, Kinder! Kamusta ka mo? Chares, ni video lesson na. I'm here today sa newly opened nga cafe diri sa Sara, ang DeJa Cafe. It is located at Barangay Alibayog, Sara, Iloilo. Ipin lang gid sang Sara National High School. Yes, hapos tultulon hindi bala? So mo-order kita anay before mag-checka. And of course, our barista for the day, taran! The ever beautiful manager sa DeJa, Ma'am Gina. Oh, padasig mag-order, hindi bala? Ari na atong order. Thank you. At dahil dyan, meron kang... And today, I ordered hazelnut latte. Guys, amo ilang nga best seller as in namit kit. So this is me, Marites lang. Ay, dalit ng kit. Let me tour you around the cafe. Nasundan nyo man guys. Amo na to kadasig Okay, back to Marites na. Joke lang, pero guys, honest review, this place is really amazing. They offer the best and very affordable coffee and show the best attitude to its customers. Malingaw gid kamo diri guys. Yes, gapang send stars ang manager diri. Shout out lang na gali sa manager Kidding aside, if you want a good place to study or just chill with friends, then this cafe is a must visit. Oh, by the way, don't forget to avail their loyalty card and take good photos. Love you. Bye.